Ladies and gentlemen, Trakujilete about some few months ago, Kati Wum Kasankara Nationals, new promotion to the Ghana Division One Mbala. That was Zone A, and I mean we have an exclusive interview with the PRO of the club Mbalama, and he shared with us the expectations and I mean what they were expecting towards the new Lekman Mbalama, and I mean some I mean season mark and we've seen how they've performed, and once again we are honored again to have him right here with us. Ka Okana Nawotiti is general overview on team their performances, improvements, and I mean but downfall maybe aspect, and then we'll see how we will go about it. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am on it. So, Ngoban na Ayelma, the overview of Sankara National as debuts to the Division One Lake Mama.
No poka pa apam a team of producers for this opportunity. Sankara Nationals like Anyerma, the first season that bon in the Access Bank Division One Lake Ma.
Okay.
I laid upon Timmy Lake Ma helped Nagi. We are grateful to God and I wanted to Nunti Yuko Kat and Mrs. Martin again. Kado portion shelling near comes as an I'm proud of.
Okay.
And Tmirakuto achieve and shot and achieve my Tirika backbone. And then the backbone man, team Malana, one year Alaji, Baba Osman, Dane, one dozen and say through Ozonama or partners. Kato Songsi, ka team Marble Lack of Shahara, ka season Martin Nagi, ka team Mato Donabunazo. It wasn't easy because our last season Mazasa, we played about 28 matches in Barama.
Okay.
28 matches my opponent. We had about we had 9 wins, 9 draws, and 9 losses in my late season my opponent. So Daniel Benshao didn't think pump because never pump that we come on to Nash important to man.
Okay.
Especially
people were actually
they were they were thinking that maybe team fighting for relegation.
Yeah.
I mean meeting down into media engagement team boss Alaji Dayam come on. Ne oboborne Sankara tin season Martin na kachante suru point sharp sane. Martin yitima you kon to song shaba. Tin songba ama he doesn't hope that season Martin na kanyela 10 chamati mpare team share song ta katakpalam. And now you call Pontinia and Shaban to achieve that with 39 points in Bala.
Okay.
It's not easy. Na kana cause some of them even though come on technical staff, most of them that was their first time being involved in Division One football. There were some players, but first time back, I be going chant to me ball wa, be going champion when chan ya pay to me ball. Can change the experienced ones that we brought. Because our latest squad most of the players shifting that Zanama Pamda Mila Mala Division One experience, but unfortunately we call them that Kalafi. So I have to say terror man na busa kabranya la fi labna. But nagi fana for matches and that palangoma. So I can only say tenda achievement shangoma. It was something that we can be proud of.
Okay.
Be something that we are proud of.
Okay.
Because debutants got now 4 position. Can you don't lag behind the top team kura RTU Tama City in Topade War Power, and of course the be can be in between the teams from Mapune.
Okay.
You have a chance to proud pom.
Okay. So I mean Ayeshama, there've been a lot of improvements in general. Downfalls might be and shortfalls being in total. But Unkubaran Ayelma as debutants in the Division One League man. I mean, how satisfied are both the fans, the players, and the club in general? How satisfied are they with, I mean, a season performance and the position you've been able to find yourself at the end of season, man?
Certification man yes, everybody certified that team man have 4th position.
Yeah.
From the supporters to the management and to the president.
Yes,
we could have done better, but like I said, early Division 1 so 1A it's not easy. So I did now 4th as a debutant. The two are I'm proud of.
Okay.
But where the disappointment was Shanda our aim was not to lose a single match at home.
Nah, I'm bit
yes.
thinking about
it. Team can be in Kana yin the Karangela slaughter home in
Oh.
I am more draw but we lost 2 matches at home. That was against Tama City and Wa Power.
Okay.
So looking at Chamika, most of the fans man and disappointed, including the Banye team officials were disappointed that we could not keep the unbeaten Rama at home.
Okay.
The other issue man come on, had that drop point Shanghai in the that we shouldn't have dropped. Kala Angela Vishani and come on learning carefully. There were some point we dropped away, make at lose match Shanghai away. If Tinya another opportunity, particularly repeat our mistakes, Mamuna. And so in terms of results, match Shanghai have been traveling okay, and we are not satisfied with it. But generally, season man naka don't share Mamuna. It is something that everybody will be team up nala I'm not over ambitious to yeah. I'm not over ambitious. Then Kaben not okay with but I let him play sham. The waiting now, you can only be proud of Tanum Shaguma.
Okay. So you were planning of going and beating at home and at END. And I mean, so did you get the necessary support at home? Because look, for you to go like a whole season without getting beaten at home, Kakunme unbeaten throughout, you have to have the backbone. That's the supporters always turning up, always coming to the stadium to give you the maximum, like Bomba energy. Do you think you got that kind of maximum support from the home fans?
As for the fans, I can tell you that we had even 120% support from the fans. I mean, Tumbala Sankara, Kashakunya Kama, Banyala Sankara core supporters.
Yeah.
What are Samira, Bonzira, Wuntanya, Bian Sami?
Can I always be turning them up to
yeah, exactly. How the I can never 10 never 5 to la core fans of Banyan Ben, Nala Shang Bago, Karnya Chino Kukuto Kana.
Okay.
Kana change Sabina, Oberanaya, Kasankaranya team. Kaba nyera match ko kan woti yulle kana ti sombe wonyera passa by ngo gati maka bolle mera ko zanno yule so landir manguna you cannot have them always so nguna o kana kare bolla sankara bidi to ngun zo mbarga ma ko o funyela passa by ngula nyenne ndira ka sankara nyenne team ko ino ke linan ka sankara yinne ne ya zola nisu kan kanan ti yum bolla ma o kana karzo so bucin won bolla sham when zon barge ama ngunye sankara ko supporter ka sankara zu yara sankara puni biara ko lim de puni ka yungun tana bi pa ko yisra to nguna habiji sankara ten tan next day when beneme hal obun so pella ba he will bring out the shadow mo so ama uzo ka team ma so land ma banguna they stood by the club ma ali the first match ndanye support shelem second match katnya support na ma kanibu tana pam ba season man that party chana Kanya katinda nye nombe shama ka de blankan na kabiza bisha pala ali sankara te parkman bishe ploma la zangma di panyu numvu songum bolle yetwa be numvu songum mada passion na chantu yule ayan za mutu nazi tumpuno kana zanga tu match ma akubji at least andi 10 cd for be kama akwente yilo akubji andi kama 5 cd so bene on yula kama no kan ko zanga 10 cd chantu yu be nkana tidi da pam 10 cd kana kaka tana yo 10 cd 20 cd bolle kapangum so passionate about football someone no come but I'm passionate hala you know as I'm channel zabzu gaza you go and watch the club man because the fans shabra yin mbamu the chance to match yape ka shawina mbamu the chance to match no mboga na ma impelo ka to match no mboga na ma so it was just about individual difference so if I say you need to support from the fans man now no go to say that them prungna in every professional club them born to ne number 12 ma are always important when you supporters ma because banguna abutiba ben sharpa ala 3 points
and happen
when you be sharpa ala 3 points id on wa gle ba obudi katara just have to understand that ambudi ma zoko ta'arma so to me support na yende mama we have a tremendous support katamata mana come next season going forward ma tan yanga tan danye shamma
okay so back to I mean like team ma in general I mean you see, you need to like no more. As a club, you definitely face challenges. I think Akpama Pune challenges the Nendale couldn't key and were major to Sankara Nationals and the debut season in Division 1. Mama.
One of the key challenges that face that Kunyela command, Mami, like I said, I never know Shakatan for the first time. Game approach. We lost certain matches away from home. Kabasha Pala command the way in the approach match masham. Then challenges ma. The other challenges ma danya command So the only chance to be my somebody because supporters can. So chang the man different. There's going to be pressure on him.
Okay.
When you pan on man sham home, ma o chance somebody. I am ka performance ma can. But in terms of logistics, we had one of the had to my bash ma. Tumali teams na kala basma.
Okay.
So try ka initially in terms of to go we think that be division 2 try use the 24 seater bus for division 2 man. So to qualify kan you depend chan la ya pe ten chan la wa. Nchande na dole ni ngon kam dole wa so la ban la so ngoma. So ma be good.
Yeah, it's not
So our boss felt like no ti yan zan la do blongo ma chena. To my players shall no wa la nyeba. And ti yan jin wala sa di jin mama. Ntojin 5 players in one room ma the chan ka bi pag ha she be pag na yam problem.
Okay.
So go no you have to get us a bus. So think that could na first round ma ko no this team second round ma the bus man you have been shot in the yan kana shi kala bus man kan da she pan kan be bol funda na alhamdulillah ka bus ichan bus ma be ne ka banjere be funu de ka kan ichan ka nan ka you on baso ka zani zani e zani yo kama ichan de mole yo ngop funu ke yon ke yen zani woro ngop funu ma me de men save them cities asa.
Okay.
So don't go rajim ka check out comfort man kan team ma funu. So in terms of ten mama logistic try ka initially but that kunyala command debutants each and away how to approach the game ma how coaches ma year players ma do this bishara jitre me come on so RMB come because of under me away ma ka shara cheka to lose points away ma but in generally I think Sankara was one of the teams in terms of comfort because I was part of Novo Shaban that to contact the players the first season ma and the biggest challenge I had was team Bambe command manager Bambe command Saplo. Brabla born playing in cannot never northern regional. Karbisha pa ne play can one can original. O Tian Kurmo Kunda baby 10 through Muchaji. You are my being you are Ben San okay to the Babu Kanna. That was a headache. Sometimes I had to convince them to never know we are a different way in Yindiba. So but I'm a bishop alhamdulillah. Bishop call me manager the man come on no. Oh, Bishin a different club because Sankara is the only club in Nasi ka one see the day management.
Okay.
Ka play so one see the dollar. Now the kind of what a winning bonus in yale, monthly salary in ka one see the so.
Okay.
That was what we did because try take like clue from other club and better ka face like a large challenges ma. So try to repeat like mistakes ma ya.
Okay.
And halting now season ma pune. Shabben a have season na be yellow WhatsApp platform to buy a ma. Ka play can bon nation pago young. But Sankara try yama o ipoka in ayi karana katata charge. Aside from Andiga, you are give fair Kumasi Boga Bank come that time and that time now. So come that dealer charge level yensim. Don't go and check out Banga Kamatin that shares on Bakananguma. To that parent well in yellow. We really mean down a measure. Exactly. So that was what we did. And so I can always say that we were very satisfied with the Shattening season from the fans my support to the club my owner. I can only say that track on.
Okay. So look, aside that, I mean question mark the mala answer name question next, but for more clarification, you finished around 39 points, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, 39 points.
On the 4th position in a debut season. I mean, impressive performance, and that's an impressive performance for you to finish. I mean, like 4th. So, Unkuba Nayema, what were the key factors which actually impacted or which were, I mean, like a part of the reasons why you were able to achieve that, I mean, like a massive performance and I mean like a milestone so
Number one, Daniela, motivation. Anybody who says football that's not from the owner of the club, man.
Okay.
And when I say motivation, man, no less coming to give you money.
Okay.
But feel certain that zira and how to met matches could be young mommy ultimately ankara.
Okay.
But every weekend comes to sacrifice kana until you to match. So high players my dan and talk about you could just stand some up on them. You can't go down shot the motivated players ma.
Abatana sometimes they impose the pressure.
No. The players felt Blabana come no Alaji Babadene is a football person.
Okay.
Hello be young or tell you book a match in there, let's go and watch football.
Okay.
So what to be around, co team mera. Over time this year can put the pressure on the player go and do this. But the players felt like team match kat ona karinya kala ba the Nigeria kat new the go nyela ben shade ning lab to motivate ya. Alajime year players ma each match o yendela 1 billion ko entba. How oben check out pa yimba. O ye each match o yen team 50 cedi. Oben check yi pack man ba karanan. So the ko nyela ben shade nda nula. Then that's strong to pam kala performance ma kana. And I'm telling you However, aside from that, players personal problems. Player personal problem. Into your players na again. The next minute, so ta as Yamala problem no. As I'm listening, how you to Zagba, but he will take 80% of that man. So the players were so comfortable, come feel the bench, come lack the bench out. Can check performance kana. Maybe play a chance me a match, come in orange name, Colano in Abacati in the Unepa, never in a copa absent. The concours, you pack to any mistake. But as Sankara, Yahale, Alajinda solve players, mamma problems, that girl show material as their monthly salaries.
Oh, yeah.
I'm telling you, and the concours put him motivation mark and I can my supporters, Ula. Banam for team mark a supporter, and a canin crumb be in that sort of so manguna our. And that key determination, motivation, and the zeal to make Yendi proud and make Eastern Kodozasa. Alaji Jacob Shaproka, can you Hala Liba, Mamu Tapta, Oberka Gombe Yira. He want to see you come on, exactly. So, Kunkurachamaka, the near a very big density, Sankara National.
Okay, so I mean, that's from the club leaders and
Yes.
like the perspective from motivation. I mean, club man leaders in terms of players, man, they also have a role to play in terms of their motivation, man, and performance, man.
Look at the command international commitment. We have players that were committed.
Okay,
aside from
captains,
aside from they have played several clubs, but what they were seen as Tankarashin Yele.
Okay.
So player carried that Parker Puna, he was motivated, no man to club man, because that world club man.
Okay.
And a day that comes as a Puna, most of the players was praying for Alaji Capita team because on cannot cook Bobashama, we pick out to get that so every player come down here Alaji player.
Okay.
Because one Zambazankana. So when Daniel bin Shah Sankarama, but Pamnation Yellow Plus.
Okay.
The Congo was the Nabs anti players man of Pambamanga.
Okay.
Because some can you want to Sankara National? And so that was a driving force for us. Can make the job more easy. You don't need the coach market to motivate and yellow. The club Mahara could be ambitious. Yama, the Asian part 2 is Kalasibi Santa Dabandiru, Chanto Swamba Clubhouse.
Okay.
Shinkafa and Yella had to pack the 2 pace in ma, and the lab come on baffin so. You can let you chip the pump, eating 2 pace and Swamba the money. Come on, place and need a bench out.
Yeah, basic message.
Come on, you are in Darba, so never lack anything.
Okay.
So, Mammy must have to me halt and I can never have been to Babunya Bendir with that.
Okay.
Season 1, team champion. What's up, message you never buy one ma. Kakuto missing. Okay, you buying, we are everybody can go back to their basic. No formal meeting, be command, not even chargeable. So at the bishop, look at my Zang and Obia, Kadar Bendir with Katon Manda, Bukata, then your personal problems. At the Pakapone, you don't need anything more than what. As a motivator, ma.
Okay.
So Nanyaka Sankara Pan Manchanta Passion and Passion.
So you see, to money in generally, this I mean, like, actually is a good thing. You understand, but normally it was supposed to be a normal thing.
Okay.
I mean, it wasn't going to be. I mean, like, not to just say that maybe Sankara is doing it for some certain reasons, but in the labor under the clubs, from my perspective, I think it should be
that are in the summer. So look at the year because not the region is not common. So I'm not common ma. I am somebody in General Bishop man. I am a harsh critics. If I criticize me, I am Puma.
Okay.
Not because in Jamu, but Biago Pontemala they are hard critics of Swara etwa. And so Mubon in quality Javan Shy yell against me, come to defend it.
Okay.
So Nebelo comes out and your pun. I was going to do that best so that nobody could bench fault than criticize her.
Okay.
And you cannot catch my change soon was a mala vision ma. When you see you my large about the name. Because I cattle in land with when I need to no. Over what been showing and Bennett can be year. So it was easy for us to do our job.
Okay.
As a club. Karana club ma professional. But that one in yellow command Sankara does yellow club shatam bonda command never be a far. Come on, yes, this is a professional club.
This
is how a club supposed to run. And even our own colleagues yet come on, no, they want to be like us.
Okay.
I'm sure computer, Kabayera, even has stay fast. Pambra come on, no, nothing that should do a qualifying ma. Now no one trust it, no one deserve to be deep of it. Because number Shama, everybody they are proud of what Sankara has done. And they wish that Sankara be a Katimbe Shama.
Okay.
And so to me, I would say that come on. We are lucky people to work with the club, but Malavish come foresight. Come on, over some Malala vision not to invest in the youth map.
Yeah, and they actually, it's a good thing. But now, I'm going to Coach Basiru Joba. Season mada kukarmena then ka orati resign during season man.
Yeah.
From as a PRO to the club and from the club perspective in general, what was the reason behind that?
Ali club ma let tendarly see after Odi departure. We may mention that it was a personal reason.
Okay.
Until now, that is what Kuraya said. It was a personal reason that he cannot continue.
Okay.
And so even how Menju after that was a personal reason.
Okay.
Urabi yet ungosungura kunya kama ayiku ntunu tumakati feel kama no sapa and move on. I would say maybe maybe Ranyela Sheplo that he think that is better.
Okay.
Because when he left Sankada, you coach on RTU. So you know on your personal reason. So it could be that okay, maybe there was a contact from another club. That was I feel like okay, let me go and try my luck in this club, but mommy, like I keep saying, anywhere I get the opportunity, it's not everybody that come on camera can Ambrea. Shaben Amre Shaben and Arabi, you know. Shaben Hayden to Bakar Wagon. Amre Shaben Biaki and Duakarchi.
Okay.
Kadi Shabada sa inkuna Amre Makana do even younger. Camera mai. So come marry comes as a Genesis Opera. And when come be football understand that it's not every coach comes in Canada season, man.
Yeah.
Some could be poor performance, some could be onyala better offer.
Yeah,
Some could be maybe offensive mammy team aligning.
Okay.
You understand? But in Juba case, he was doing well because he was not losing. He match that he lost was just against Tamasi 2-1.
Okay.
And that was his last match in Balama.
Okay.
So it was just like don't had a command to ideas and that were falling. He just said it's a personal decision that he wants to step and the club mad that legitimate. I can't respect the can't thank for service in Bala.
Okay.
Because Mami Juba, like I said, Biagun on channel man. So he's somebody that I'm very close with. I have known Juba for more than 20 years. Yes, and to you in that full because like at the beginning, Mami Joe and he recommended players that he can work with. And the coach can now but players want to work with. No only your sham. So Urakana cause Mami but in the season can the Mala player can pick. Sasha when he got most of the players pick then he went.
Okay.
So a different coach can with a philosophy. So Oben Pobana Hali other Kashab Shebi Kalab Dunabi Kashab Shekabla Dunaya. So Antonio come yes, me what I am Jenny. And because we're not losing matches.
And the momentum was still going.
It's still going. So you can assume that and first our statistics.
Okay.
On the match number of points on Danyama, or I am control probably maybe where we are Tananto in Yagadala.
Okay.
It could also be the same thing, maybe Odi and China talent drop points here.
Okay.
And so I will say maybe Odi Ben Tanto China, make it in Kalandi.
Okay.
But every coach played their role. The team mark and lake for me. That's the most important thing. Our target was to survive. He did his part. Coach Francis did his part. Abuka Dambanungo part. And Ali could Francis Nyenevo song me matches Nyang Bazasa because he has stayed in the club more than the Dambana Kana Dambarama national team duty. So he was off and on. So virtually Coach Francis played 90% of the matches in Mapunum. And we have to give Bazasa credit for what they have done. Okay. Without them, where we achieve Matango to achieve lab in Yarangoma. So I would say every coach come on that coach play in Sankara success so I'm going to command him do it I'm Jenny Tranto Pago the other way down Balasa.
So inside coach Baumia, you understand initially assistant coach in that he was
in charge of youth development.
So all of those things. Then subsequently Kana until the head coach. Bullet daddy club Sonebe those in charge of the club, board but they influencing a decision of making him the actual head coach. From that, a role of he being the youth development and those assistant roles to actually be the head coach of the club.
Now, early club statement, like I said, you want to check. The assistant coach, the youth development would take as interim basis. That was the letter that Comkezanti, a laboratory umbra. So, Mammy, ideally, you could be a bullet and a head coach, my chum. Email assistant coaches. So assistant coach Mike didn't make a head coach Mike Cannon. Then the assistant coach step in. No coach in Barama. Like I said, so Francis, he was the second in command. Okay. So you want to ideally definitely want to know step in. na coach la, and he did a fantastic job for Sankara National. He did a lot of good anti club ma pun ali on ma shon ya point shanga because you want to Francis Ferdinand against TF away.
Okay.
We won by 2-1. And it is part of the 2 match nothing the away from home on my opponent. So I would take credit. Myself, I'm not fair and two.
Okay.
So that para commanding that para doesn't come and be a head coach. That could come head coach man chang. And he was the next in command. So for that matter, come and take that position, ma. Because I live put on ahead of youth development. I mean, me had to yell. I'm Chelsea. They brought in their youth team. Look at Nula. Look at your head coach in Boma. Season man, I don't come Nula. And so that is how football structure is. So one you want to chama, he was the next in command. Like an until the team had African or return to Pambo, someone to come and be the head ma. Kabuka damba kana. Like as Abuka damba kana with us, Abuka damba me matching in Pam because of national team assignment in ma. And Bamia did virtually everything because he's Martin like yes.
I am actually getting it. I mean, like how you guys work with the structure.
Yes.
Not like
it was a structure the club market could do that.
Okay. So, but aside that, Dracula Instrument of Women reports. I mean, about some tension during the match between Tamale Cities and the Adli Mama Sports Stadium. Once again, as a PR to the club, I mean, blade that lane or what actually caused that set tension at the stadium?
Is it tension as between coaching staff players of Sankaraminde Tamale City?
So I'm not sure exactly, but it was. I mean, like reports has been going around generated that between both clubs, Tamale Cities and actually Sankara Nationals.
Now, what I know is that there was misunderstanding between Sankara Minde supporters, Minde Tamale City supporters after match the Tamale City first home. The main one just part of normal. Even Hasim in Tanga, Tinyaka before match and start back, and Kunyaka supporters na ko nta tabzel the entrance man that it was part of football. So no man match in na kabin shan and I don't pay premium to it. You understand? Because be supporters no be shan. I don't didn't come between officials meaning you can because Madanguna is an official banguna, but fans banguna is happening even the champion the first thing can you see how Pierre Jimmy Arsenal fans and that laptop flare and be young opponent. So then it was just normal. Oh, match and attention bien. Because at that time everybody was fighting for the ultimate prize. And so as some fans might can maybe because them so you when says be come on. So deal with that. I knew my attention to my Ghana. So it was just like a mere football fan to fan bong dan that they recommend Thomas Minde Sankara Malazawa as officials be players that kunya fans born in Nagi normal football bong da kunya.
Okay, so I mean once again, one of the things I loved about Sankara Nationals just recently was that it unveiled I mean a modern club secretariat. I mean man Leleman as one of the step I mean like a lot of clubs should actually adapt. So I mean the vision behind that Bensha in that linear Kati decided that we need to form a club secretariat for Sankara Nationals.
You cannot have a proper club if I can secretariat.
Okay.
Because I young chan yende, you should know where Sankara office in be. Be akusana player ko yisambana ko yide ankara kana ka to direction kana yende. You should know where Sankara secretariat bien. That's a part of club my brand and Pune. You have your office, you have a secretariat, and of course Kabesha come function not just by name. Until I can't office my you respect I'm come on this is a professional club. The konkonjela besha ha ana kuzan play chante office ma Pune quotation kind of a chande clubhouse konko ambana come on he will respect us because club shanga bien maybe training ground coincide no contract. But we have it office constitution comfortable kasana contract take our pictures kayina. Like I said, we always look at how teams from Europe man no be if you could do power in the shama, but at least we should be halfway. Even though Timmy never got structure spam. But as I tell most level and power where they are So there's a kind of cut amala secretariat because we wanted to run a professional club. Can you come that someone so that you cannot secretariat cover puka party. I can see that Sankara Jason and Mark are club my comes that son and then Kunko is so lovely.
Okay, so Sankara Nationals actually looking forward to set standard for other clubs in the northern region because the Jambo had long once again aside club secretariat Magba, you went ahead to actually unveiled a new clubhouse. Manila meant to be a short period of time because it was unexpected. Trakushima once and told
Yeah.
I mean, what is the motive behind that? Because there are a lot of people out there, but yeah, you want to just take over and make everything look as, I mean, like to set an example to make it look like Sankara National hasn't been a standard.
And like I said at the beginning, to the Sankara National near the premium club in Northern region.
Okay.
Team player comes out some with Northern region. Can you Sankara in your first to autumn Sankara Kopa Chang other class on Sunday. Not just Northern region, but Ghana.
Okay.
We want to make Sankara the premium club.
Okay.
When player comes out, it's my dream team to play for Sankara Nationals.
Okay.
And so this okanya ka team from the bars to the clubhouse Mami, ana kunya ka season na ka una command division 1 shengwana on the end of the year awards.
Okay.
Managing be anyele.
No, I'm not.
I've never seen anyone. I've been in the media for a while. No one has. I've never seen anywhere. Mami, this time today social media jamana.
Okay, yeah.
Be sharp swara. Have you invited go but so share the can yele.
Okay.
But Sankara is the first club in the season. Ka award, not just award, but katala command proper award ka player come on deal. Kuna alhamdulillah come on yes, in your club, a club ma shirin appreciate bin shan at the end of the season ma pune.
Okay.
Then nan other kind man other feature man that come on. He was surprised unkat nyak tin number shan ma because this is a professional standard. Katun naka award more than 16 people for their dedicated man to club match throughout the season ma pune. Ngoma nyela bin sha the man check productivity kara pangsira.
Okay.
Because I know bin sha coming so yunda. There's somebody watch you can know okay. You have done so well. Let's award this guy. Katina katon chanting nang the Supersonic Clubhouse. Ma metin da nan season ma. We inherit tatam to rent sheplu. And ana kunyi tan sheplu ma. Shebin yawa as their clubhouse bin pa na wuni. But still, Alaji was not certified with placement be sheplu ma.
Okay.
Kanya na kaman ubonozana January to April. Nzami new clubhouse. So it took less than 4 months. Clubhouse ma me.
Yeah.
With 14 rooms, the gym center and other song official chamber hold by in other place in the education center. Another day, there's another plot celebrate to one plot more. They want to do a mimi pitch at the place my year, the leisure time, but only about 30 million bomb, Canada gyms and the Pune.
Okay.
So to me, we are blessed to have a light by the name. Kugoza somebody ozonama bambe samba na katabro sondo. Mami, if you are in song my bia song. Abia suman chamika azunan kam baza bon the tower song da abia pune. Mami say public servant, or public servant. And so captain of public office ma pune. But through the support of Oicha land, Makamanta Basung, someone from Kentucky the Mamna, da donatela bazan to Sankara snacken no. Tinyan the Mashana, I son say the youth in Yen, what can we also do?
Okay.
So by million to tap song bas cannot nantity. So people are supporting behind the scene. How can I generally we are na balasa? And so remember, it's all boiled down to club malana. Biago shanen riba.
Okay.
Can you table son that a team match and Venyanka?
So, final question before Katakana Tepale next season. I mean, like being here. So, I mean, how active is the club when it comes to player development? I mean, making players to actually try maybe opportunities outside abroad and all of these things. Have Sankara National actually sent any player abroad for any trials or anything with regards to big development?
My players by Yesambana our name is and that is why most of players want to come to Sankara.
How many players?
At Kana Sankara, it's not just about playing for Sankara, the local league, but you are also hoping to get opportunity to play football outside. Currently, Hadibe Slovakia, Misbah Slovakia, and then Adams. I don't know someone be one of the countries, two are in South Africa.
Okay.
Currently, as we speak now, two when you know Shaban last week, man, US.
Okay.
For that, so we have about 7 players.
Okay.
Outside. Haka Shaban and Bula Vicenema.
Okay.
The clash is Sankara next season can a new faces here because most of our players, but they change professional content Palma.
Okay.
And that was what I didn't bother.
The Botaria, but of Fabakachina, Ibla Mitidas.
We want to make money. If we are able to, I will send professional contract. Players my signing. Ben Sanama. Larna Kana Sankara. We use that money to invest in the Bambayin Mama.
Okay.
Can I invest in more talent here? So this our focus is going to shift from Bungoma and new players who are marketable in the international market.
Okay.
Currently, our captain is outside and other players. Kashabada la nyina vushabna ma de shele. Be shaben tijanti yarle because nyanti yarle ma ya ula. To bonnet command dito dobi kapa yarle.
Okay.
But most of our players we have about 7 players outside the country now.
Okay.
Who are Miss Bang on how Rason team ka league just 2 weeks ago, and they have qualified them to the first division in Nima. And so it's something that we are looking at. We just want to break through the international market so that kapanya tipa break through manya kasankara kada face mapa change kama nyu desha maya.
Okay, so right now nta to kind of no conclusion before kata qualifiers next season will be a big season.
Yeah.
Whether I don't think whether you like it or not, next season people will be expecting either to make it to playoffs or like that will be
Our
majority
targets.
of the people. I mean, like Burnley and Sankara Nationals never achieve Ruben Shaw next season. What's the plan? What is the target and what should football fans, especially Bambi Tamal Bambi Yenti, core supporters of Sankara Nationals, what should they expect from the club next season?
Obviously, but they will expect more from you because I cannot first and cannot fourth.
Okay.
They expect that I second season anangara nang shama. Mami na dewa no bola Premier League yindi.
Okay.
Na dewa me to bola ban shaw. Had zam na cho born yel too. Zam na cho come yel zanto. Shanongula. So we are going to assess our strength in ya ula katian approach. It just a disappointing that Thomas City double total league map. We're hoping that ne pige. Pika kana certain shamba. But Thomas City chanka to chongo mari chamaka zanan disappointed.
Okay.
For they not qualifying because the history is against zone 1B. This is the FIFA been divided league you number one and zone 1B has always qualified in the sense of zone 1A. Okay. So Ngomangela is a big challenge to zone 1A going forward next season. Premier League so we are Sankara. Our plan is to improve more than 10 numbers. Okay. And by improving it will tell us where we want to be. No one a team because we are in a war. I bet una abaswara top timasapo atinyam kasonangula. Chodang man team managing assessing last season or post mortem debut season where is our strength? We are cutting nang next season. Then done fourth Kato other third be Kato can be second be if possible the ultimate you cannot achieve that if you don't have the players. You cannot if you don't have the coach on 2000 man. You can't do that. Each other resources are very very key. So look at that. But what I don't know is that Nadio no border division Premier League in Yendi. He want to be seeing Kodoko, House of Folk, the Mediama, and Kerala economic markerman bossy in the Eastern Corridor Alma. Okay. So that's what then I know Nadio no border Premier League. But we are Sankara. I think that the boss be Canada in the economic summit coach for 10 days. He will come back, we will sit down, have a meeting and discuss the way forward of the club going for next season. Okay. And so from there, I can tell you the clear picture of what we want to achieve next season. But for now, but like I said, Nadio no Bola division Premier League football in Eastern Corridor. Sanka is the only club in Eastern Corridor can be a Division 1. So the Pamna Gula Katian Kato achieve lab mazant Nadoa. Okay. Be Tien Nsham, Kalaniama, Katona reality. Kayendi be Eastern Corridor, Zavzo be Mblan and Bigaz Antonia Swelling Kotoko, in Yahas of Folk Indian Boma. And that is exactly what we are going to do if Team Marishin assess it manga. Tien ya play Shaba, the Tien to Marso Shanka to achieve la dream.
Okay. So boss, it has been a pleasure. I mean, like wonderful conversation. And I'm actually impressed with how undigested Benyama Champion because there were a lot of doubts out there and I think it's needed. So Kubarne I final comments about the whole of the club or final comments to the supporters and of course supporters of Sankara Nationals.
To look for this opportunity to speak to the whole world. Okay. About Sankara season man and the Sham. No party supporters Marvin Yanka, the one that supports team Masham. In the course of Lake Mammy, you could to China carbon water, come not tam na punk by. Nibi could lamp on the bata. Even you capture tap telephone. Okay. And so when comes I said I no che, I think it's past and gone. ne poka pa the technical team ma coach Salas, coach Francis Baumia, coach Aboka Damba, Gina Damba na ma to pa team doctor well na bisasa for their dedication to the team ma, especially our driver. Our driver man number jamdo onye no song da pom pom season ma pune mo lenyu bizarre play a role because each and that will do the event can make change every year salam. And our chief security Bates, he's one guy who worked tirelessly, so I wasn't surprised he was awarded at the end of the season ma brato la pingandle for dedication to club ma.
Okay.
The other major members ma te poka power pump and the head manager ti Alaji Babadani nsula na wontro ngomshe ndipshe njinglishe na meshan kampulo na wonto nya wala kato ala fi kacha ko man ni shanga zankpa bol ma pour be sankara pour be the youth of yende zo nguma be no the region ka auto palzanto ogoto achieve la tibe tabson kind honest to him, kind honest to the football man. And I will love Ketin and he want to be honest to football. We cannot be honest to football if to be yet about the right thing. Kato man tab zanda karachana. The never shall then go to Jaman. So can Pumoka Pabazasa. Ni come Nimku Shabanda been there. Kasura what take a tell me ba collects media, but I support from media from Yendi, from Tamale is as Iranian Shabanda play very vital role in supporting the club man to achieve face man. And next season we hope and pray that the support from you guys man. More than that.
Okay.
And our doors are always open like in Bremen for us to always have a conversation about some kind of national. We're always ready to do that, and with your support ma to achieve Bishops and achieve season. So we are grateful.
Okay. And I'm pipe on board. So I mean, no kubwa ni yesha mjela next season, especially you don't want to banate award today.
Obviously,
because I mean, like best media supporting.
Of course.
I mean, we are all praying for that. I mean, like entertainment or like in football aspect, it's all about entertainment. Like let's go, watching football. I mean, I wouldn't want to love to see about many teams up north here in the Ghana Premier League, right? Because I got to especially Tamil teams my bon commander up. I mean, like down south there. They're very impressive for me. You never saw monitoring Ghana Premier League backdoor conversations, especially journalists up there. You will definitely understand that at some point Bishop Nunga afraid of Tambari or afraid of Northern region teams of general support, man. So I mean, it has been a great, I mean, like conversation and to pay upon the temporaka ato kanama. It has been an interesting and nice conversation with legendary Terry, the PRO of Sankara Nationals, and I mean that's just what we just have for you. The overview of Sankara Nationals. I mean, like performances in general, and hopefully next season better getting in usually. And William Mohammed Mubarak Salifu, you can follow us on all social handles on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, across all of our pages for more football content. Next season, while we are coming like Kai, we're out.